Good morning, Boy Bobcats. Today is Tuesday, May 9th, 2023. This is Taylor.
And Darylyn with the morning announcements.
Here's Miss Charbonneau with some amazing news.
Good morning, Bobcats, and what a terrific Tuesday. Oh, yes? Really? You're that excited? What are you excited about? Kids? Reading? I know, they're still reading their books, but when do they have to turn their books in by? Okay, Squeaky says your books have to be turned in by Friday. You sure about that, Nikita? Okay, that was a yes. All books are due on Friday, not today, Friday, because they still want you reading, because today's only Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday, and then we have Thursday. That's 3 days that you need to be reading, not just being bored sitting in class. So make sure you get your books turned on Friday. Nikita's so excited to find out who are going to be the classes that get to spend a little extra time with us in the library. You want to do what? Play with the ball? Did I say so? Oh, see that face? She's excited. You want to play soccer with the ball? She does. So some of you are very excited too, I see. Make sure you get your books turned in Friday. If you owe books, if you can't find them, what do you have to do? Pay the $10 per book that is missing. But please, 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 try to find the book first, because it's a lot of paperwork for Miss Charbonneau, a lot to put in that you've paid your $10. And if you do have to pay, please make sure you bring that slip of paper with you, the white one that went home that said how many books you're missing and their names and all that other good stuff, because otherwise I have to reprint that paper so that I can get it all done. That would be very helpful. All right, you know there's testing going on today? All buses are in, all the car riders are done. So I think everybody's ready for a terrific Tuesday, but I'm looking at this white piece of paper again, and I see that Tuesday, May 9th, 5th grade's taking their science test, but there's some lunch changes. Pay close attention to the times, which line you go in, and the tables that you're sitting at. So it looks like Miss Causey, Cross, Basso, and Rados are the ones that have to switch today. And then, there's also some specials changes. So you may not be going to PE, music and art, at the time that you think you're going to PE, music and art. Listen to your teachers. Make sure they check on this as well, because there's a lot of names on this. There's a lot of names. So I want to make sure those people get to specials on time. Make sure you take a look at that, teachers. It is very important today, because there's testing going on. Super quiet. So Nikita, remember, we got to be quiet. Yes, quiet. Quiet on campus, especially around the 5th grade classrooms, the 300 hall, and up here by the media center. I've heard some of you this morning coming to return books. Tell them quiet. I know, tell them to be quiet, because they're testing up here in the ESE classrooms. That's all I have. Can't wait to see you guys later. Have a great day, Tuesday.
Fifth grade science testing today. You got this.
Conference night, 3 o'clock till 6 o'clock. You will
Next Tuesday. It's next Tuesday.
next Tuesday. You will do great.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
And a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence. You may now be seated. Teachers, all buses are in. You may now take your attendance.
Teachers, all buses are in. You may now take your attendance.
That's all the news for now. Have a terrific Tuesday, Bobcats.